Hey guys, I'm just going to give you some directions of if you are in your Google Classroom and you need to submit a copy of something. I want to kind of go through how to do that with you. So I am in Google now, and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom as if I were a student. So when you go, it'll look something like this. I'm going to click on this one. And here's the assignment that I have. So this is like the one that I had a video for you to watch, and then I had questions for you to answer after. Let me move this down a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the document. And if I want to go in and start, start typing, I might not be able to do that. So what you need to do is you need to come up and do File, Make a Copy. When you make a copy, it's going to let you name it. You can just come above where the name already is, like right in front of that, and put your name like this so you can find it and you'll know that that's yours, and click OK. Once you do that, it's going to be your own copy, and you will be able to come in and just type my answer here. If you double click my answer, and I'm only going to do a couple just to show you my answer. Okay, when you get to that, if you notice up here it says last edit was seconds ago, that's because it's automatically saving to your Google Drive. So once you've done your assignment and you saved it with your name, I'm going to come back to my original assignment. And right here it says your work. So I want to add my work there. So I'm going to click Add or Create. I saved it in the Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And if you have recent open, it'll be whatever your last recent thing was that you did. So this one says copy of. That's the one that I made a copy. And if I had enough space, it would have my whole name. So I'm going to select that one and insert it. It's going to take it just a second. And there is my document. There's my work. So now I can click Turn In. You need to see one attachment will be submitted. Yes, that's what I want to do. And it tells me what I named it. It's a copy of, I named it Emma Register, and then the video. So I'm going to click Turn In. And once you've turned it in correctly, it'll say unsubmit. That means like, oh, maybe I didn't do something right. Let me go back and unsubmit it and try it again. So on my end, let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to go to my account. And it will come back to me. I'm going to click on my classwork. This was the assignment. So you can see I had one person that turned it in. That was me. I just did it. When I click on it, it's going to show me Emma Register turned hers in. I can click on that document, and then I can see where she typed her answers. So the answers down here is remember I put my answer, my answer, my answer. So that's how you'll see if you that's how you need to turn it in correctly. Once I see your copy and I check all your answers, I will put in your grade. I might put a private comment, which means like, I might say, Emma, you did number 1 and 2 correctly, but you need to go back and look at numbers 3 and 4. And then I might return it to you if I want you to look at it again. If it's done correctly and it's done right, then I'm just going to put right here, you made it 100. I might put, great job. And I will return that back to you so that you can see, oh, I did it. I made a 100. That's done. So I hope this clears this up. This video will be on my YouTube channel. So if you ever forget how to submit, this will hopefully help you. Let me say, some assignments already make a copy for you. Some of them don't. It's just kind of depending on, we haven't found that magic formula yet. But if it's not already a copy in your name, then you need to go in and make a copy, and you can go back to this video and reference it and look at it to see how to make that copy. So I hope this helps. Good luck with your work, and I'll see you later.